Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this gaming style, racing style chair that this brand sent to me for this video. I have to say that this one could be really good for the people that also like gaming for sure. For gaming, it's gonna be really good. Don't worry about that. But if you also work from home, this one can be also good because it's tall. It's a tall chair. As you can see, I'm 5'10", and I still have like a large portion of room right here to put on my head. So I would say that it's probably good for people up to 6.2, 6.3, I think so max. But also this chair, besides being super easy to assemble, everything comes explained right here. And it's gonna take about 20 minutes, no more than that. 20 minutes guarantee. With or without power tools, it's gonna take you no more than 20 minutes. But also it supports 400 pounds. Not only that, it also comes with a detail that I really like right here. This lumbar support pillow, it comes with a USB-A cable that if you connect it to your computer or a laptop or a power bank, for example, this one, it's a massager. So it comes with 3 points massager for your lumbar area. That is really cool. Let's take a closer look. So I removed the pillow already, but you have a neck pillow. This one right here is gonna be in the back of your neck, and I'll show you why having this one over here, it's important. I do like this kind of like racing details over here on the sides. Besides this kind of like nice design over here as well with those stitches. The armrest, you can't modify the height, but these are a little bit padded as you can see over here, but you can't modify the height. And right here, you're gonna find that this one is gonna be a really firm cushion. One thing that I will mention about this fabric, it could be cool for the summer, it could be cool for the winter both, but if you have pets, especially cats, because I have cats, you will have to clean this one often because, I mean, this fabric over here will capture some of those cat hair or dog hair. But I think that the two best things about this chair, besides, of course, that you can just manage the height like every other chair, lies right here. And this is why it's important to have this pillow over here on your neck. So number one, you're gonna find this right here. It has a leg rest, also known as footrest, but I call it leg rest because it's just for your leg. So you can put those two together, this one, and then this one over here. I think it's locked. It's not locked. So it has this really nice recliner, kind of like right here. If you put these two together, the armrest, I mean, not the armrest, the footrest, the pillow, the lumbar support with the massager and this really nice recliner, you will find out that this is a very comfortable chair, especially for gaming and napping between those sessions. You can lock it at any position. Actually, I think this is the lever, so you can lock it like that if you want. And if not, you can, this is not the lever, actually, it's the other one. So if not, you can just unlock it just like this and go back to the original position or look at in any angle you want. I gotta say, this one for gaming, productivity, home office, it's a good chair. Remember what I said about the fabric. Otherwise, I like it and I do recommend it.